Welcome and enjoy these fun-felt learning board activities by One Mom's Perspective. You think with your brain. Now how about breathe? Let's breathe with the lungs. Let's put the lungs. Yeah, that's right. That's the lung. Heart. Then pee.
F.
That is a letter F.
It's hard.
Six, then
Then 7.
then
9.
good job. Then
10.
you did. To organize, I put each felt activity into one Ziploc bag. I would poke a hole through the Ziploc bag with a paper clip and hang the paper clip onto a chopstick. And the chopstick is tied by a string to the top bar of the easel. After taping the cutout felt fabric onto the board, I trim the edges with a scissor and glide them in with a letter opener. Then 17. That's not 17. Get 17. Good job. Get 17. That's not 17.
No.
Look at the number. That's not 17. Look at the number. There you go. 17. Say 8.
18.
9.
10.
And 20. Thanks for watching.